Are you selling your time by the hour? Most designers start this way, but this is a trap. Your time is finite, so you'll always hit an income ceiling. This isn't a business, it's a job with an unpredictable boss. The freelance life is often a roller coaster of feast or famine, leading to stress and burnout. You run faster and faster just to stay in the same place. True growth comes from breaking the link between your time and your income. The path forward is to work smarter, not harder. It's time to stop selling hours and start selling systems. What if you could build something once and sell it 1,000 times? This is the power of a digital product. A digital product is an asset you create and sell online. A template, an ebook, a course, or a set of icons. You invest your time upfront to create something valuable, and then a system takes over. The product sells while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're working on your next big idea. This is how you escape the trap. Before we go any further, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more design business education like this. We're building a community of designers who want real businesses, not burnout. Not everyone can afford to hire you for a custom project. A digital product allows you to package your knowledge into an affordable format, serving hundreds or thousands of customers instead of just one. And consider the economics. With no shipping and near zero cost to duplicate, your profit margins are incredibly high. This shift is profound. You move from being a service provider to a business owner, creating assets that generate revenue independently. This is how you turn your design skills into a true, scalable business. How do you start? You start with a problem you know how to solve. As a designer, you can package your solutions into products that sell. Here are 4 ideas you can build quickly. First, design templates. Instead of delivering a design to a single client, turn it into a reusable template for a platform like Webflow or Canva. People will gladly pay to save hours of work. Second, a mini course. You have valuable skills. Teach one specific thing in a short, focused video course, like logo design for beginners. People pay for clarity and speed. Third, presets and asset packs. Think Lightroom presets or a UI kit with pre-built components. These small, useful tools help other creators work faster. Finally, niche stock graphics and mockups. Companies always need unique illustrations and icons. By focusing on a specific industry, your work stands out from generic libraries. Price your products based on value. A simple social media pack might be $29, while a comprehensive website template could be $199. Imagine selling just 10 of those a month. That's nearly $2,000 in recurring revenue from one asset. Let me tell you about Sarah, a talented freelance designer who felt stuck on a treadmill of unpredictable client work. She dreamed of a more stable business. She felt like she was on a treadmill, running hard but going nowhere. She dreamed of a more stable business with creative freedom and less financial anxiety. She knew she had to change something. One weekend, she turned a brand guidelines document she'd made for a client into a universal template in Canva. She listed it on a design marketplace for $49. The next morning, she woke up to 3 sales. She had made nearly $150 while she slept. By the end of the week, she'd earned almost $1,000. This one success changed everything. Within 3 months, her income from templates surpassed what she earned from smaller freelance jobs, allowing her to focus on higher-value client work. Sarah stopped just selling her time. She started building a business that worked for her. This transformation is not a distant dream. It is the result of one small, committed action, repeated over time. You do not need to quit your freelance work tomorrow. You just need to start planting the seeds for a different future. Build a small revenue engine that runs in the background, giving you stability and options. It all begins with a single step. Here's your mission for this week. Start building your first, tiny product. Launch first product. Checked. Do not overthink it. Choose one idea and commit. Pick one product type that feels achievable. A simple template is a great place to start. A website wireframe kit, a resume template, a project proposal document. Choose one. Set a clear, small goal for the week. Example: finalize a 5-page website template in Figma by Friday. Specific, measurable, achievable. Break the work into smaller pieces. Design 1 page per day. Monday, homepage. Tuesday, about page. Wednesday, services page. By Friday, finished product. Weekend, clean up, organize layers, write instructions. Ask a designer friend for feedback. Fresh eyes will spot what you missed. Creating, getting feedback, refining. The core loop. You're building a system, not just a file. Once it's done, ship it. Don't wait for perfect. Perfection is a trap. Create a simple product image and write a short description. List it for sale on Gumroad, or similar. It takes less than an hour. Then, share it once with your professional network. This single action moves you from thinking to doing. It starts the flywheel. One sale proves the model. You've built a machine that can earn money. Next week, build another one. This isn't about more design tips. It's about building a business that supports your creativity. The main insight: sell systems, not hours. Why it matters: leverage scales your income and your impact without burning you out. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, share it with a designer who's serious about building a real business. And if you're ready to go deeper, visit TheDesignLemonade.com to access free tools, checklists, and design business education.